Google built a chip that ran a calculation 13,000 times faster than the world's fastest supercomputer. NVIDIA's Jensen Huang publicly reversed his position and admitted he was wrong about the timeline. And this week, 3 tiny stocks exploded. Welcome to quantum computing, the meme stocks with real science. And they might be the next trillion-dollar industry. Quantum computers use the principles of quantum mechanics to solve problems classical computers physically cannot. Drug discovery, weather modeling, AI training acceleration, breaking current encryption. The addressable market is estimated at $1 trillion by 2035. For years, this was science fiction. Then Google dropped the Willow chip, which achieved the first verifiable quantum computing advantage, 13,000 times faster than classical supercomputers on specific algorithms. Independently verified, real. Then just this week, NVIDIA unveiled new quantum computing technology, and Jensen Huang admitted his earlier estimate of 20 years for commercialization was wrong. Wall Street analysts are now targeting 2029 to 2030 as the inflection point. Some are pulling that timeline forward even further. This is no longer a lab experiment. It's an industrial race. 3 pure-play public companies are leading the commercial race. IonQ uses trapped ion technology. Q4 2025, revenue hit $61.89 million, up 429% year-over-year. Full year 2025, revenue hit $130 million, the first public quantum company to break $100 million. 2026 guidance is $225 to $245 million. They just inked a deal with the University of Cambridge. D-Wave uses quantum annealing, a different approach focused on optimization problems. Q4 bookings surged 471% sequentially. Year-to-date 2026 bookings already exceeded $32 million, including a $20 million Florida Atlantic deal and a $10 million Fortune 100 contract. Stock up 166% over the past year. Rigetti uses superconducting qubits, just debuted its 108-qubit system. Roadmap targets 150 qubits by end of 2026 and 1,000 plus by 2027. Already has contracts with the Air Force Research Laboratory. All 3 stocks rallied double digits in the last 48 hours. This sector is on fire. Now the part nobody wants to hear. These companies are still tiny. D-Wave's Q4 revenue was just $2.75 million. Rigetti's was $1.9 million. The gap between bookings and recognized revenue is massive. Most quantum pure plays won't generate meaningful profit until the end of the decade, and many will go bankrupt before then. Valuation is extreme. IonQ trades at over 100 times revenue, classic meme stock territory. And the Magnificent Seven, Alphabet, Microsoft, IBM, NVIDIA, all have in-house quantum programs with infinitely more cash. Google's Willow chip is already ahead of anything the pure plays have demonstrated. The dot-com parallel is real. This looks exactly like late 1999 internet stocks. Real technology, real addressable market, and a brutal shakeout coming. So what's the chaos capital take? Quantum computing is real. The trillion-dollar addressable market is real. But most of the publicly traded pure plays probably won't survive to capture it. This is a high-conviction, small position size trade. If you want pure play exposure, IonQ has the strongest revenue momentum and institutional backing. D-Wave has the near-term commercial bookings acceleration. Rigetti has the deepest hardware roadmap but the weakest revenue today. If you want safer exposure, Alphabet and IBM give you quantum upside wrapped inside profitable businesses. You don't lose if quantum takes longer than expected. You just own great companies with a free call option on the next computing paradigm. This is the next AI trade, but only for investors who can size positions appropriately and stomach extreme volatility. The dot-com bubble produced trillion-dollar companies, and it also produced 1,000 graveyards. Quantum is the same setup. The winners will be legendary. The losers will disappear. Your job is figuring out which is which. The capital markets are chaos. Embrace it, and I'll see you in the next video.